Hey there. Looking for a way to keep your home safe and secure? Introducing the Ring Battery Doorbell, perfect for anyone who wants peace of mind when it comes to home security. With head-to-toe video, you can see everything that's happening at your doorstep in crystal clear quality. The Live View feature allows you to check in on your home from anywhere, at any time. And with two-way talk, you can communicate with visitors or delivery personnel even when you're not at home. But that's not all. The motion detection and alerts ensure that you'll never miss a thing. Whether it's a package delivery or an unexpected visitor, you'll be in the know. Imagine this: you're at work or on vacation, and you receive a motion alert on your phone. With just a tap, you can see who's at your door and communicate with them in real time. It's like being home even when you're not. Ready to take your home security to the next level? Upgrade to the Ring Battery Doorbell today and never miss a moment. Order now and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is always protected.